If you want to direct your life, you have to have control of the consistent actions you take. So we need to find out what comes prior to our actions. What influences the actions we take, and therefore, the life we live? What's the answer? The power of decision. Everything that's happened in your life, both the good and the bad, has started with a decision. These moments of decision shape your life. The decisions you're making every day of your life will determine how you feel today and who you are tomorrow. The life experience we call success comes from the small daily decisions in which you choose to hold yourself to a higher standard and take control, instead of allowing the environment take control of you. We all have decisions that we can look back on and either be thrilled about or wonder, what was I thinking? There are decisions you could have made that would have made your life completely different than it is today. You could have changed careers, or failed to change careers. You could have moved, gotten married, had kids, or purchased a home. Maybe you decided to start a business, or start exercising. Maybe you decided to start, or stop drinking, or smoking. Think about how your decisions have impacted your life. Success comes from long-term focus. Picture the challenges in your personal life. Whether it's overeating, drinking, smoking, drugs, or spending problems, they come from a short-term focus. Success doesn't just happen. The life experience we call success comes from the small, daily decisions in which you choose to hold yourself to a higher standard and take control instead of allowing the environment take control of you. So, start making your positive decisions and give no rooms for setbacks. Stay blessed.